Connecting remote equipment to industrial networks is often an essential part of a manufacturing or logistics operation, and while there are many hardware options capable of providing this remote connectivity, security can be a serious concern with valuable data transmitted over open channels. Hi, I'm Tim Webster, welcome. One solution is to use a virtual private network, or VPN, to provide secure encrypted communications between remote equipment and control systems, PCs, tablets and smartphones. SmartVPN is a hosted VPN service from Control Logic that provides this safe and secure remote connectivity solution using AES 256-bit authentication. Now, the service is hosted on local servers based in Australia, and it's easy to use with a dashboard that provides everything needed to create and manage your own VPN without the hassle of setting it up. SmartVPN is compatible with any service provider and multiple hardware vendors, and it's scalable for as few or as many devices as required. Billed monthly and with no lock-in contracts. Find out more about SmartVPN from Control Logic. Call them on 1800 557 705 or visit controllogic.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.